How to make Ubuntu full screen in VirtualBox, step by step. Is your Ubuntu screen stuck in a small window on VirtualBox? Let's fix it. Open Terminal. Type sudo apt update. Press enter and type your password. Now install the required packages. Type sudo apt install gcc make perl. When prompted, type Y. Then press enter. At the top menu, click Devices, insert Guest Additions CD image. Open the mounted CD. Right-click autorun.sh. Choose Run as Program. Enter your password if prompted. After the installation finishes, restart your Ubuntu virtual machine. Click your user account. Enter your password to log in. That's it. Your Ubuntu desktop is now running in full screen mode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hanin Dia Tech channel for more Linux tutorials.